Good morning, it's Lonnie with Crafty Traveler, and I'm at Peach Beach RV Resort near Goldendale, Washington, right on the Columbia River. You can see the river behind me. Today I'm going to do a little walk around the RV park and show you what they have. Today is Tuesday, July 25th, 2023. Hello, you have found my channel, The Crafty Traveler. My name is Lonnie, and I am a 71-year-old female who loves to camp and travel. I'm saying goodbye to my husband for the next 4 months as I travel across country with my little schnauzer Snickers. We're traveling in my Mini Winnie and towing my Honda. Come and subscribe to my channel and follow our adventures. Thanks for watching. I gotta put water in my tank in preparation for the next 3 days when I will be boondocking at Harvest House. So to put water in my RV, I have to unhook the water from the opposite side where the city fill is to come over to the tank fill. Here's the tank fill side, and I just ran my hose underneath from the opposite side. Now I have to go turn the faucet on. There's my city fill side. After I fill my tank, I'll put it back on for tonight. Now we gotta turn the faucet on. And now it's filling my tank. What you think, little Snickers? What you think? So it's filling my tank. I had about a half a tank of water in there, but I'm gonna have it full. And the best way to do that is to turn it on and let it fill, and the overflow will happen and it'll start leaking out the bottom. Then I gotta go turn the faucet off. My next 3 stops are one-night stops. They'll be at Harvest Hosts, Discovery Center tomorrow on the Dells, and then a brewery up northwest of Portland, and then I go south to Tillamook to the Blue Heron Cheese Factory. So those will be my next 3 nights. So I'd like to have a full tank of water, and I have plenty of propane to put my refrigerator on propane while I'm on those 3 days. And my generator's fine, and I will be getting gas. Yeah, it's more expensive. What are you talking to me about? This is their sign and where you register. However, the camp host came out and gave me one of those bags of peaches and registered me. This is the entrance where I came in, and there are 2 dump stations. One for going out and one for coming in. And you can see the dumpsters over there. And then this is the building where the restrooms are located. The camp hosts live in these 2 buses. I'm sure they're here just for the season. The young lady that came out was very nice. They do have ice for sale here. They don't really have a store. This site number 1 would be my next site if I ever come back here, because look, you have a perfect view of the river. Those tables are for day use people, and they're not campers, so you'd have a good view most of the time of the river. Site number 1 has full hookups. The campsites on this side of the RV park are full hookups. The ones close to the river are water and electric only. Here's the first line of the campground. You can see that things are kind of close, but it is beautiful with shade trees, and you've got the river right there. More people are leaving. Bye. There's the Columbia River. On the other side is Highway 84. There are also railroad tracks on the other side, as well as on this side. I did hear trains during the night. Their whistles seemed to be at a distance, and then I could just hear the tracks, which kind of puts me to sleep, so that wasn't too bad. But they do come about every 2 or 3 hours. And here's the lagoon. I showed you a little bit last night. And there is a beach down here Kind of a gravel beach you can hang out on. People go kayaking, wind sailing, paddleboarding, fishing, all kinds of stuff on the river here and in the little lagoon. It's beautiful this morning. The weather's sunny, a little bit of clouds as you can see. We had a little rain last night which cleared the air because there is some smoke. Supposedly there's a fire northeast about 30 some miles, but it's not going to affect us here. And there's my site backed up to the river a ways. Mosquitoes were not bad. I did get 1 or 2 little mosquito bites, but of course I didn't go out after dark. But people said it wasn't so bad. Not as bad as what I had over at the hot springs. Next to the RV park is another park. It looks like a city park, maybe? I don't think it's a state park. But there are restrooms. There are, looks like, places to park RVs, but it's for day use only. And there's supposed to be a little beach down here. We're going to walk down and look at it. This is the sign for the park information. They have park fees for launching boats. Discover pass required. And boy, are they strict with the dog fine. $99 fine per dog without a leash. That's good. And they have a dock here. And there's the pay station. And they even have a life jacket loaner station. Let me show you. Life jacket loaner station. And there's some life jackets there for people to borrow. And hopefully they bring them back. Here's the boat dock that goes out into the Columbia River. This area is for watercraft launching only. No swimming, fishing, or diving from the dock. And there's the dock. This is the swimming beach of this park. I think it's a state park. I haven't actually seen a sign that says so yet, but I believe it is a state park. This is the swimming beach. Nobody there right now. And dogs are not allowed on the swimming beach, so Snickers is not going to go swimming. He wouldn't go anyway. He's not thrilled about the water. Snickers and I are out for a little walk and decided to sit here and do a bit of vlogging. We are looking out at the beautiful Columbia River, and if you can see through the trees there, there's a guy with a wind sail. I'm hoping he gets up so I can show you what he does. It is a little bit breezy. Maybe he likes that. But he's, oh, there he goes. He's getting up. There he goes. Good, good. Good. Now what are you going to do, guy? Ah, he's got to pull his sail up. You got to have good strength and balance for that. And there he's up. And he's going. There he is. He's out in the Columbia River. Wind sailing. Very cool. Not me, but I like to watch. He's up. Good morning. It's Thursday, July the 27th, 2023. And I'm still at Peach Beach RV Park in Washington, across the Columbia River. I was hoping to move over to that spot, number 1, that the host said there were people coming in. Darn it. It's the perfect spot. It's full hookups. You have a direct line sight to the river, because where I'm sitting now is kind of a day use area, and there's just a couple picnic tables and grass. The people come here and put their chairs out and sit out and look at the river, and the little beach is just below me here. So today's not going to be too exciting other than seeing that wind sailor, but Snickers and I have got to go get some gasoline. Now, I went into Goldendale a couple days ago, and the gasoline is, the cheapest was $4.99 for regular. I'm going to go across the river to Oregon, where there's a Flying J, and see if it's any less. And if it is, I have to go that way tomorrow and I'll gas up the RV. Even if it's $4.89, it's still less. But I think now I'm going to be seeing $5 a gallon all the way home. So in the next 3 days, I will be staying at a Harvest Host locations. We'll be leaving tomorrow and headed west to the Discovery Center, where we'll spend the night there at Harvest Host, and I'll see that museum and the sites around there. That's where I'm going to go to see how much gas is. That's Oregon on the other side of the Columbia River. Driving through the campground, you get an idea of how big it is. This is the entry exit, and there's still lots of camping spaces on the right side. I'm going to be going across the bridge to the gas station over on the other side of the river. So come along. We are now in Oregon. Going over to the gas station. There's like 4 different gas stations on the Oregon side of the river. I'm in the car, filling the car up. I'll do the RV tomorrow morning when I leave. And you can see it's $4.45 a gallon for regular gas. Now I'm stopping at the GUNFEL Orchards fruit stand. They have a beautiful garden here. They do cut flowers if you want them fresh cut. I bought some fruit. I will show you in a moment. This is the fruit stand, just about a block away from the campground. Snickers and I are back at camp, and I also stopped at the GUNFEL. A pint of blueberries, a pint of blackberries. Look at those blackberries, how huge those are. And 4 peaches and 4 nectarines. Total cost $20. I tasted the samples. These are the Sweet Lady peaches, and boy, are they sweet. And the nectarines are delicious. I can't wait, because I'll have these berries for breakfast. I might have to test them. Oh, my blackberry is so sweet. I wish I had some ice cream to put them on, but I don't have any ice cream right now. And what are you talking about? Really? What do you think? Are you excited to go to a new place tomorrow? Yeah? Okay. All right. We'll do that. All right. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Thanks for watching.